The word pranayam has been derived from two words, pran and ayam. Prana means bioenergy and ayama means regulation. So pranayam means regulation of bioenergy. The workout releases toxins from our body and they are mixed into our bloodstream. Therefore, when we are doing pranayam after the workout, it releases these toxins, gets them into the lungs, and through that, the body is completely detoxifying itself. It induces a serene, calm feeling needed to function effectively for all of us, whether student, working professional, or even senior citizen. There are different types of pranayama. We have chosen the pranayam which support in increasing our lung capacity by working on the respiratory muscles. So first we have abdominal breathing. This pranayam works on the diaphragm muscle. Start in a sleeping position with your knees bent, one hand on the navel and the other hand by the sides. We are doing the abdominal breathing. While inhaling, feel the abdominal wall moving upwards, and while exhaling, allow it to sink inwards. Repeat. Take a deep long breath in, feel the inhalation. Take a deep long breath out, feel the exhalation. You can do likewise about 7 to 8 times. Pay attention on a slow, steady, long inhalation and a slow, steady, long exhalation. The equal breathing pranayam allows us to breathe in completely and fully. We inhale and exhale equal in and learn that. Keep your eyes closed when we are doing pranayam. Sit tall in Vajrasana. We are doing the equal pranayam. Take a deep long breath in and a deep long breath out. As you are inhaling, feel the fullness in your lungs, and exhaling, feel the release, complete release of the air. Let your breathing be very slow, steady and smooth. You can do likewise about 5 to 7 times. There are lower lung tip pranayam and upper lung tip pranayam which work on the respective muscles, that is intercostal muscles and clavicular muscles. Let us do the lower lung tip pranayam. Place the hands on your lower lung region, your little finger on the lowest rib and the other fingers placed accordingly. Shoulders relaxed, elbow pointing not very back or not very front, but somewhere in the middle. Your chin parallel to the floor, eyes are closed. Take a deep long breath in, feel the expansion in the lower lung region, and deep long exhalation, feel the contraction here. Let your breathing be slow, steady and very smooth. It's a continuous long breath, inhalation or exhalation. Avoid the sound of breathing, if any. It's a very soundless, subtle inhalation and exhalation. You can do likewise 5 to 7 times. If sitting in Vajrasana for long time starts hurting your ankle, you could change to Padmasana. We'll do the upper lung tip pranayam now. Place your hands, your fingers in the front, thumb at the back, elbows are pointing out leftwards and rightwards, and they are aligned with your shoulders. Eyes are closed, chin parallel to the floor. Take a deep long breath in and a deep long breath out. The breathing is also again here slow, steady and subtle and very smooth. Feel the movement in your collar region, upper lung region. If you find it difficult to hold your hand like this, you can fold your palms in the front like this and focus on the collarbone region and feel the expansion and contraction over here. The Anulom Vilom Pranayam, also known as alternate nostril breathing, it helps in improving our lung capacity and also helps in overcoming sleeplessness. For Anulom Vilom, you will use this mudra of your hand. Close your right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Close left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close right. Exhale through the left. Likewise, keep doing alternate inhalation and exhalation.